dear. Oh, we go, ladies and gentlemen. I think I just turn everything off now. I think I've done enough. Still have a heap of welding to do. Yeah, so need more bench space. Here we go. This is what we've got here. It's called bloody sexy. Yeah, sexy. Look at that. Look at that. I think that's sexy. Look at that. That should be out further. Should cover that up. That needs fixing. One day. Yeah, so that's what we've got. That slides up and down. I'm going to put a threaded bar up the middle, and that is going to be the winder. See this? This is a big chunk of bar, threaded bar. It's galvanised so it won't rust. Things like that. I want to put it up the underneath here. I'll probably put it on there somewhere, and I'll weld a nut to the bottom of that, and here I'll have a hole with a handle, and I'll be able to wind it in and out, and slide the table or saddle backwards and forwards. At the moment I'm still waiting on pulleys for that end, so I can make it spin the opposite way, because I want it to spin the opposite way. It's spinning the wrong way at the moment. So yeah, it's it's not straight. It's got a lump out this side. Nearly got this face straight. Nearly got this face straight. But we'll get there eventually. I'm not going to do anything to that until I get a nice rigid platform here that I can run a tool off to machine that. I've got to make it so it's rigid and stable on those two rails there. I know it's not super strong, but that's pretty thick angle. Anyway, that's what we've got here today. There's not a lot going on. Shout out to, I don't know, SMS in Canada. He's a millennial. You know me. He's always about somewhere putting out a fire. It's 10 to 3. I should be in bed by now. It's late for old men. We got Disavow in New Zealand. You got Wyong. He's not even in Wyong. He's in Bellambi. Fancy me remembering that. He's got a duck pond with ducks in it. Anyway, that'll do us for today. We'll catch you later.